Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo Watch 6, and on this video we are going to try and have a demo of the smart notification feature of the Oraimo Watch 6. So we have here at least several applications. We have Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Viber, as well as SMS. On this video, we are going to have a demo on the Messenger and the WhatsApp application. So if you are interested to see the push notification feature of the Oraimo Watch 6 in action, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the push notification feature of the Oraimo Watch 6. So we have here the Oraimo Health app. So let's set it first. So sync with phone messaging. Okay, if it asks for permission, activate it. So we will disable some of the apps here. So we'll not use the Gmail. This one also. We'll use the Messenger. We'll not use the TikTok and YouTube here. So we don't have a Viber here. I guess we'll just activate the others feature here. So let's look for the Viber application. Okay, then that's it. Go back. I guess everything is okay now. We do have a quick reply setting here, but I'm not sure if this is for the call or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's have a demo. Let's start. Let's send a message to the smartwatch. Let's have first the Messenger. Again, on this video we will try only 2 applications. So let's say hello. Then let's send a message. Hopefully we can receive a notification on our smartwatch. Yes, we have it here. We have Sam, and we have the message here. Okay, you don't have a date, but you have an option to delete. Next, let's try emojis. Let's see if it works. Okay, so there's no support for emoji. How about long messages? Copy, then send, and so there's no scrolling effect or feature. So used. So until, if it is an example of a pangram, a sentence that, okay, until here, at least 3 paragraph or 3 sentences at least. Okay, as you can see here. So we have here at least 3 sentences uses. So the whole alphabet here did not appear. There's no scrolling support, but you can swipe up and down to see the messages. Okay, I think it's a good number of words or characters for our notifications. Then next, let's have a call. Let's see if we'll receive a call notification. Yes, we do have a call notification. So there is a support for call notification for Messenger. Okay, next, let's have the WhatsApp application. So let's send a message. Again, there's no support for emoji. Hi, and we have it here. Again, Samsung. Okay, so there is a support for WhatsApp application. So we have the icon here, the name of the sender and the message. Again, say hello, and we have here the messages. Hello. Okay, so it works with our WhatsApp application for notifications. Let's try the call here. Okay, incoming call, yes, and we have it here. Okay, so it works with the incoming call. Again, we don't have a support here for quick reply for messages, but we do have a support for missed call notifications as well as messages, and of course longer messages. We do have a support. Again, it works for our Messenger and WhatsApp application. On our next video, we will have a demo for the Instagram, Viber, and SMS. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.